Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So what I've got here is the i5-4690, which I'm going to share with you a very quick overview and one benchmark at the end of this video. So hope you enjoy and stay tuned. So as I said before, there's not much we can talk about CPUs. The best we can do with them is just put them to test. But this video is a quick overview, as I said, so let's talk a little bit about it. This is the i5-4690, which is a CPU for those that don't need overclock. This CPU will be locked, so you will not get any higher speeds than it comes factory. And the speeds are 3.5 at stock and 3.9 GHz at turbo boost. It will support up to 32 GB of DDR3 RAM, and it features the Intel HD 4600 that will support up to 3 simultaneous displays. And regarding the integrated GPU, it will have a maximum of 1.7 GB of VRAM and a base clock frequency of 3.5 MHz that will bump up to a maximum of 1.2 GHz. Once we open the packaging, we will find some documentation, being one of them the installation instructions, but the chance is, if you are watching this video, you probably know how to put your PC all together, so the CPU installation will be no problem for you. Now, being a consumer CPU, it will bring its own factory cooler, which we are seeing on screen right now, and as you can see, it's pretty slim. And regarding the noise, I've got it working on the system, it's quite silent. Even though this cooler is totally capable of managing and cooling down your CPU even on the most demanding tasks that you will be doing on the system, and here I would leave just a personal suggestion, which is the Cooler Master Hyper Evo 212, and not just for those that want to overclock the system, but even for those that want total silent on their machines. This is a great CPU cooler. I did review this cooler last year, so I'll try not to forget to post the link below, but if I do, as usual, just send a message, a comment, and I will be glad to post the link to this video review. Now, just taking a closer look at the most important part of this packaging, which is the CPU itself, and thinking that without this little piece of advanced technology hardware, our computers could not handle the jobs that they are handling. They could not even work without them. And to wrap up this quick overview of the i5-4690, I've got here the Geekbench 3 scores, which gives us 3300 on single core score and 10800 on multi-core score. Also having in mind that the tests were made on the 32-bit version free of Geekbench 3, so if you make the same test on the 64-bit, you will get higher scores. Would also like to take this opportunity to share with you what I think about Geekbench 3, and my opinion is the best benchmark for CPUs cross-platform out there. Now, just those numbers don't mean nothing to us, but if we compare them to real-world applications, and in my case motion graphics and video editing, and I've done this for the past years on all my machines, if you cross the numbers with the timings that you take on the machines, then even without testing a CPU, you will be able to accurately choose the best CPU depending on your budget for your tasks. And that is it, guys. So hope you enjoyed this quick overview of the i5-4690. If you want to see it in action, please check out the links below, as I said on the intro, and I'll see you on the next one.